Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss how to write IUPAC nomenclature of benzene derivatives. Now what are benzene derivatives? Benzene derivatives are compound made from benzene. For example, these are all benzene derivatives. Some substituents put on the benzene ring, and that's why they are called benzene derivatives. Now, how to write the nomenclature of these benzene derivatives? Let's see. IUPAC nomenclature of most of the benzene derivatives are given in such a manner that the substituent names come as a prefix to the word benzene. Here are some examples. When you have a methyl group on the benzene ring, it is named as methyl benzene. When you have a ethyl group, ethyl benzene. Methoxy, methoxybenzene. OH group on benzene ring, it is called hydroxybenzene. Nitro group on benzene ring, then nitrobenzene. Similarly, if you have an amino group, NH2 group on benzene ring, it is called aminobenzene. An aldehyde group on benzene ring, it is called benzaldehyde. When you have a CO2H group, carboxylic acid group on benzene, it can be called as carboxybenzene. Sulfonic acid group on benzene, then benzene sulfonic acid. And when you have halides on benzene ring such as chloride, bromide, iodide, it is named as chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene respectively. Now you can see that some of the compounds also have a common name. So, the common names of many substituted benzene compounds are also universally accepted, and they are used in IUPAC nomenclature. For example, methyl benzene means there is a methyl group on the benzene ring. We can use the common name in IUPAC nomenclature, that is toluene. Similarly, if you have a methoxy group on the benzene ring, instead of naming it as methoxybenzene, we use in the IUPAC nomenclature the name anisole. Hydroxybenzene, if you have a OH group on benzene ring, instead of using hydroxybenzene, we can name it by the common name phenol. And the name phenol is also used in IUPAC nomenclature. Similarly, aminobenzene can be called as aniline. Carboxybenzene can be called as benzoic acid. Now, just like you have seen in the earlier videos that we have to follow certain sets of rules while naming a compound. So, while writing the IUPAC nomenclature of benzene derivatives also we have to follow certain sets of rules. So, what is that? If the benzene ring is substituted with two or more groups, then we need to number the ring to indicate the position of the groups. In some cases, the common name of the benzene derivatives, just now we have discussed, like toluene, phenol, aniline, benzoic acid, anisole, etc., are taken as the base compound, and the substituent present in it is numbered 1. Just in the other system, we have a parent name. Similarly, in the benzene derivative, we have to choose a base compound, and the substituent present in it will be numbered 1, and the other substituents should be numbered in such a way so that the substituent gets minimum number, and it also we also have to follow the priority table which we have learned in the video, in the YouTube video part 8. The links of all the videos part 1 to part 10 are given in the description box. If you want, you can just click the link and see the video. The name of the substituents are written in the prefix. We all know the substituent names are to be written in the prefix in alphabetical order. The term ortho meta para are used in common names, but in IUPAC nomenclature we don't use ortho meta para. Instead we use 1 2, 1 3 and 1 4 is used for 1 2 is used for ortho, 1 3 is for meta and 1 4 is for para substituents. If there are 2 or more identical substituents, then the prefix like di for 2, tri for 3, tetra for 4, etc. are used for the substituent names. All these rules will be more clear if we see some examples. Look at this example. This is a benzene ring having 2 bromo substituents. Now, the base compound is what? The base compound is benzene, because we can't name this compound with any of the other common name like toluene, aniline, benzoic acid, anisole. So this base compound, the base compound of this structure is benzene, and we have the 2 bromo groups. So we have to denote the position. Let's number one bromo group as 1, and so the numbering follows like this. And so what will be the name of the compound? The name of the compound will be 1,4-dibromobenzene. Let's look at the next compound. The next compound have a benzene ring with 3 chloro substituents, and here also the base compound is benzene. Now we need to number this benzene ring to indicate the position of the chloro groups. So what the numbering should be in this manner, and so we have chloro group at 1, 3 and 5 position. So what is the name of this compound? The name of this compound is 1,3,5-trichlorobenzene. Coming to the next example, look at this compound. It is a benzene ring having a methyl group and also a chloro group. So we have learned earlier the benzene ring having a methyl group can be named as toluene. So the numbering goes like this. The benzene ring having the methyl group has to be numbered as 1. The carbon containing the methyl, the base compound is toluene. The carbon having the methyl group has to be numbered 1. And so the chloro group gets 2 position. And so the name of the compound is 2-chlorotoluene. Next example. We have a benzene ring having a OH group and the Cl group. Benzene ring having a OH group has a name called phenol. So the base compound is phenol, and the numbering goes like this. The carbon attached to the OH group should be numbered as 1, and so the numbering is like this, and so the name of the compound is 4-chlorophenol. phenol. Look at this compound. Again, in this compound, the base compound is benzene. Now, you have two halo groups, bromo and chloro. Who gets preference? Go to the priority table of video 8. If you remember, bromo gets preference over the chloro, B gets preference over C, and so the numbering should be like this. And the name of the compound, while writing the substituent name in the prefix, we have to give an alphabetical preference to the alphabetical order, and so the name of the compound is 1-bromo 2-chloro-benzene. Again, coming to this example, you see there is a benzene ring having a methyl group and 3 nitro groups. So it is trinitro, and benzene ring having a methyl group means toluene, and so the base compound is toluene, and the numbering goes like this. The numbering starts from the carbon to which the methyl group is attached, because the base name is toluene. So that gets number 1, that particular carbon gets number 1, and the other numbering are such that the substituent gets minimum number. So what is the name of this compound? The name of the compound is 2,4,6 trinitro, nitro comes in the prefix, trinitrotoluene. Similarly, this compound is named as 2,4,6 tribromophenol, because here the base compound is phenol. Look at some more examples. What is the name of this compound? The base compound is toluene. Now, the carbon to which the methyl group, the carbon of the benzene ring to which the methyl group is attached is numbered 1. And so that the substituent, the remaining substituents, bromo and nitro gets minimum number, the numbering should be done in this manner. And so, bromo and nitro name will come in the prefix, and the base compound name is toluene. Now, who will come first? Bromo, 2-bromo or 4-nitro? Remember, here we have to follow the alphabetical order. So, 2-bromo will come first and then followed by 4-nitro. So, the name of the compound is 2-bromo 4-nitrotoluene. Look at this compound. It is a benzene ring which is substituted with bromo, chloro and iodo. So, the base compound is benzene here. Now, where from we should start numbering? From bromo or from chloro or from iodo? We should start numbering from bromo, because bromo comes first in the alphabetical order. And if you go to video 8, you will see in the priority table, bromo gets highest priority, then chloro, then iodo. So the numbering obviously should start from bromo, and the numbering should be done in such a manner that the other substituent gets minimum number. So this is the best possible way of numbering. And so how will we name this compound? The base compound is benzene. So iodo, bromo, chloro all comes in the prefix. So who will get preference? Bromo, then C, chloro, then I, iodo. So the name of the compound obviously is 1-bromo 2-chloro 4-iodo benzene. Look at this example. Again, the base compound is benzene. So among chloro and nitro, if you see the priority table given in my video 8, then you will see that chloro gets preference over nitro. So the numbering goes like this, and the name of the compound is 1-chloro-2,4-dinitro-benzene. Next compound. This is a benzene ring having a methoxy group, chloro and toluene. When we have a methoxy group on the benzene ring, it is called anisole. So the base compound is anisole. Here we have benzene ring with a methyl group also. So one may say that we can name it as toluene also, but anisole, when there is a methoxy group and a methyl group on the benzene ring, anisole gets preference. Anisole, the base compound is anisole. And so the chloro and the methyl groups becomes the substituents. So the numbering goes like this, and the name of the compound will be the base compound name is anisole. So the other two, chloro and methyl, will be the substituent. Among chloro and methyl, who will get the preference? Chloro, because C comes first, then M, methyl M, and so the name of the compound is 2-chloro-4-methyl anisole. After doing this many number of examples, here there is an assignment for you. Write the IUPAC nomenclature of the following benzene derivatives. Stop the video, write the IUPAC name, and then again play the video and check your answer. The tips are, first you have to choose the base compound. Then you have to keep in mind the priority table, and you should number the substituents in such a manner that the substituent should get minimum number, and follow the lowest locant rule. In the prefix, when you write the names in the prefix, we have to follow alphabetical order. Okay, so now let's look at the answer. The first compound will be named as, the base compound is phenol. In the first compound, the base compound name is phenol, and so the name of the first compound will be 3,4-dimethyl phenol. The second compound, the base compound is aniline, and so the other substituents, methyl and ethyl, name will come in the prefix. Who will come first, methyl or ethyl? Ethyl, E comes first over M, and so the name of the compound will be 4-ethyl 2-methyl aniline, because the numbering will be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. The third compound will be named as, the base compound here is benzene, and where from we should start our numbering? There are 3 groups: fluoro, nitro, ethyl. If you see the priority table in video 8, who gets preference? Halides. Halide gets preference over the nitro or the alkyl groups, and so the numbering should be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. And so the name of this compound is all this nitro, fluoro and ethyl, all these substituent will be named in the prefix And so the name of this compound is 1-fluoro, F comes before, E. Okay, the name of this compound, it's written wrong here. The name of the compound will be 4-ethyl, E comes before F, E, F, A, B, C, D, E, F. So the name of this compound is 4-ethyl, 1-fluoro, 2-nitro, benzene. I'm sorry, here the name is 1-fluoro, fluoro will come after ethyl. So the name is 4-ethyl, E comes first, 4-ethyl, 1-fluoro, 2-nitro, benzene. Please note this correction. Then what is the name of this compound? The base compound, benzene with a carboxylic acid, the base compound is benzoic acid. And so, the methyl group is substituted at the 2 position of the benzoic acid. So, the name of this compound is 2-methyl benzoic acid. That's all for today. If you like my video, please subscribe, like, share and comment. And before I end, I would like to end with a thought. Our life is a reflection of our attitude. That means, if we think positively, we will act positively. But if you think negatively, you will be surrounded with all negativity and you can't proceed further. Thank you and bye-bye.